Hey everyone, today I'll be showing a 6 Plus screen repair. So on this screen, for some reason the touch stopped working, and we'll go ahead and put a new screen. The first step, always disconnect the battery. So this is the charging port. Somehow when I picked this up, it came with it. So I just leave it right now and just unplug the battery. This is the battery. Excuse me, sorry guys. 5 screws you have to open. I like to always leave it in order. It makes it easier for me. But for you guys, it might be a different case. Or maybe you want to do the same thing because it have been proven to make it easier for me. See, I go from the side that way. I was told it will not damage the connection in the bottom. Now we just remove all this stuff from here. You always want to insert this, and see how this is. So basically you want to go kind of like underneath, but you have to start from here. I go like this usually, and then this one goes sideways, but something is connected. To make it easy, let's lay this on top of it and align the connections for the screws. So just follow the directions. I try to bring the phone screen to the close to the camera so you can see as close as possible. Because a lot of times repairs are shown to you within seconds and you don't get to see what really happened. So with this, I think it'll be a little better. Perfect. Make sure there's no screws on the side first, because there were times that I broke some screws by having some glass or something in the middle. So when I did this, I pushed the glass and it touched the other glass, it broke. But just in other words, make sure there's no old broken pieces of glass or screws hanging around underneath. Just do a quick checkup before you close the screen. Now we'll turn it on first just to make sure everything is working before I put the last two screws, just to be on the safe side. We'll try it out, we'll try it out. Okay, such works. Let's click emergency. I like to click emergency more because with emergency I can keep typing. I want to do double test just to make sure. Perfect. Now we can put the last two screws. So this is the best way I could have shown you guys the video. Now please subscribe, because I want to make my videos as good as possible so everybody can actually understand what they're doing. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Thank you and have a wonderful day.